People say they don't believe in God because they can't see Him. If something is invisible, does that mean it doesn't exist? Although much of the universe is invisible to the naked eye, we can see it through astronomical telescopes. And though microorganisms are invisible to the naked eye, we can see them through microscopes. So how can we see God, who is invisible? John chapter 5, verse 39. These are the scriptures that testify about me. We can realize the existence of God, who is invisible, through the Bible. Let's confirm that the Bible is fact through science. Job chapter 26, verse 7. He spreads out the northern skies over empty space. He suspends the earth over nothing. When viewed from space, Earth is suspended over nothing. Today it is common sense that Earth is suspended over nothing, but it was not until the 17th century that it was scientifically proven by Newton's law of universal gravitation. However, the Bible already recorded this fact about 3,500 years ago. Next, there are records about the water cycle. Job chapter 36, verse 27. He draws up the drops of water, which distill as rain to the streams. The clouds pour down their moisture, and abundant showers fall on mankind. This explains the process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. The water cycle was first proven in the 17th century through the results of experiments by Perot and Marriott. However, the Bible already described the water cycle about 3,500 years ago. This is certain evidence that the Bible is the words of God proving God's existence. Then why should we believe in God? It is because the kingdom of heaven exists. Revelation chapter 21, verse 1. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth. There will be no more death. The Bible testifies that there is a new heaven and a new earth, which is the kingdom of heaven. We can go to the kingdom of heaven where there is no death, only if we have eternal life. Then how can we have eternal life? John chapter 6, verse 54. Whoever eats my flesh and drinks my blood has eternal life. How can we eat Jesus' flesh and drink his blood? Luke chapter 22, verse 15. I have eagerly desired to eat this Passover with you before I suffer. And he took bread, gave thanks, and broke it, and gave it to them, saying, This is my body given for you. This cup is the new covenant in my blood, which is poured out for you. Jesus said that the Passover bread is his flesh, and the Passover wine is his blood. When we keep the new covenant Passover, we can have eternal life and enter the kingdom of heaven. We hope you will receive the blessing of eternal life by keeping the Passover of the new covenant.